What's going on, guys? 2015 F150, and if you're like me, most days you admire your truck and say stuff like, man, that thing looks good, except for one thing, and I'm going to show you. That one thing is this stupid wiper cowl, and look how faded it is. Mine's a 2015, and this thing looked faded about a year after I bought it, which is pretty unfortunate. So I'm going to show you guys in this little video how to fix that with a heat gun. So we're going to heat it up until this plastic gets nice and hot, and it's supposed to burn off, or you can say shed, this top layer that's really oxidized, to leave a nice brand new plastic looking finish. So what we're going to do is, first I'm going to go ahead and pull these wipers, and to do that you just pull this little tab right there and it should pop off. There it goes. Pops off nice and easy. So we're going to pull these off, and I'll show you really quick the heat gun mod. You can really see, just a matter of seconds, and it turns from old, oxidated, crappy looking to nice brand new plastic. So I'm going to go ahead and do the whole truck here and show you guys what it looks like, but that's a good comparison right there. Some people pull these off. They're pretty easy to pull off, and paint, you can do that, but I find this is the easiest method, and it should last a while. And you can put a protective coating. Some people put like a apply a ceramic coating on the plastic, which makes that finish pop out and last a lot longer too. So maybe if you wanted to do that after you do this, you know, that'd be a good time to apply that ceramic coating. Alright, just finished it up. Turned out pretty good. Looks pretty much brand new. What you guys can do, if you do have something to put on it, like something for plastic, you know, keep it from fading, I'd recommend doing that right after this. Or a ceramic coating, you know, if you got that. I've watched some videos on that. Looked like it helped it restore the finish pretty good, and ceramic coating should keep that dark, rich color, you know, lasting a lot longer. So that was a quick little trick. If you guys didn't know, your molding probably looks like mine, so you know, if you want it to look a little newer, you can try it. You guys got more questions, let me know. Thanks.